Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. This is my absolute favorite look to do whenever I'm going out or want to look a bit more glam presentable. It's super easy to do, literally only 3 eyeshadow shades using one palette. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys how to get this look, and if you guys want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Okay, so to start off this look, I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera using the Benefit Eyebrow in the shade 5. So I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Morphe Eyelid Primer. And I'm just going to take a little dot. Oh, that's more than a little dot. And apply it to both my eyelids. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette. This is one of my absolute favorite palettes. Definitely go-to for everyday looks, for going out looks. And I'm going to go in with the shade Vintage Taupe, which is this matte taupe shade. And then this is a Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush. And I'm just going to work this all over my crease. And I'm going to be sure to drag out the outer corner a little bit too. Okay, next I'm going to take a Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to dip into the shade 60s, which is this matte green in the center. And I'm going to start working this in the crease right below the shade I just placed down. And you can work this color all the way in. And then I'm going to also put some on the outer corner as well. Now I'm going to go back in with my Moda BMX 430 crease brush and Vintage Taupe and just make sure the edges are well blended. Okay, now I'm going to take a flat shading brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Industrial, which is kind of like this gray shimmer. And I'm going to pat this all over my lid. And I'm just going to go back in with the M433 and 60s, which is the green matte shade, and just go along the edge of where I just placed my lid shade and make sure it is blended in and also just kind of intensifying it. Okay, and this is it for my eyelids. I will go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera and we will come back to finish my lower lash line. Okay, so I went ahead and did most of the rest of my face makeup off camera, but I left a little bit of bake on so I could catch any fallout from the eyeshadow potentially, and so I'm going to take a Morphe M507 brush and dip into the shade Vintage Taupe, and we're just going to work this all over the lower lash line. And I'm going to go into the shade 60s with the same brush and just work this closer to the lower lash line. I don't think I'm going to work this all the way in. I'm just going to concentrate it on the outer half of my eye. Okay, I think this finishes up the lower lash line, so I'm going to go ahead, finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, to finish off my look, I bronzed with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and then took my favorite blush, the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo in Soft Peach, and I just took the matte shade of this one and then I highlighted with the Colourpop Super Shock Chic highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. And for lips, I used the Colourpop Lippie Stix in the shade Cookie, which is a matte. And lastly, for my lashes, I used my favorite Ardell 3D Faux Minks in the style 858. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if there's any videos you want to see in the future, please let me know in the comments below. And if this is your first time here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Valentina and I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.